Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the perspective of a video in CapCut. We start by opening a CapCut project. After that, we click on the video and then enter the animations option. Now we enter the combo category. Then, we scroll down the list of options and enter angle 2. We will see that a preview of the effect is made where we change the perspective of the video. We apply the changes with the check. Finally, we can export our video. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.